A lot of people that I meet outside of work, they sort of don't have an idea of what researchers do, but it's really exciting trying to explain it to them.
It's a very, very complex cancer, extremely complex. It's these multi-factors that apply to the progression of brain cancer, specifically as well glioblastoma. There's no one-hit wonder like the magic bullet.
No real cure for a lot of brain cancer, which is something that is, it's fascinating to budding young scientists, I suppose.
The problem with the tumour is it's very diverse, even within an individual patient, that they'll have a whole lot of different genetic alterations driving the same tumour. So, we're going to need very broad therapies.
I think the biggest change that I've seen in my professional career has been the incorporation of research and particularly clinical trials into the frontline treatment of children.
The things that have excited me the most about brain cancer research at the moment is coming out of the field of immunology. To actually be able to vaccinate against a brain tumour, I think is beyond our wildest dreams, but it's happening now.
And knowledge of brain cancer has grown enormously in the last 2 or 3 years. Certainly we understand the disease better. I have no doubt we'll be able to develop new and better ways of targeting disease quite rapidly over the next 4 or 5 years, but it remains an enormous challenge.
Community for brain cancer specialists and research is pretty small in Australia. And I see this as an opportunity to try and build the research not only within Australia and between Australian researchers, but also to work with the international brain cancer researchers, draw some of the expertise from overseas and bring it to Australia, and for Australians to participate in international research.
I don't think there'd be a day goes by without me being in contact with someone elsewhere in the world.
Cure of Brain Cancer have been absolutely amazing with the way that they've brought together collaborations from international and national. We've never seen this before.
It's really easy to collaborate with people here. That's what I found comparing with my experience in Europe. And it's easy to get access to samples from the neurosurgeon, to machine or equipment or tools from other scientists. It's really, really easy, I think, to work together. That's what I like working in Australia.
I'm good at tumour banking. Terry's fantastic at looking at EGFR and specific biomarkers. The Brisbane group are brilliant at their animal models. So working all together collectively, we can move things faster. Watch this space because it's a really exciting space to be in right now.
Hi, I'm Jane Stacey. I'm sure you'll all agree that the men and women working in research are doing a vital job. You might remember me. I was one of the 3 brain cancer warriors at the video at last year's ball. One of the others, Glenn, is here tonight. Hi, Glenn. I know you've had some surgery this year, so I hope you're doing well. I was really saddened to hear that the 3rd brain cancer warrior, 15-year-old Gus Larkin, died in October. It's an important reminder of why we're here and why it's important to donate to brain cancer research so that survivors like me are not the minority, but the majority. I hope you have a great night tonight. I know I will. And I hope you dig deep for brain cancer research.